Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first open some area in which you've got access to your keyboard, then select settings icon and go to languages and types. Now click on manage input languages and choose the one that you want to have your keyboard in, then switch off the previous one, or if you want to use both, you will be able to switch them between them easily. You can leave both, but let me apply this one at first, then go back. And as you can see, okay, so let's do it this way, it will be quicker. As you can see, it is already changed. Then you can change it again or use both languages, as I mentioned. So if you will have both, once you open your keyboard, you will be able to switch between them easily by tapping on this word icon. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.